Today on the Garden Fix, we're going to take a look at this beautiful white rose. Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today on Gorgeous Garden Plants, we're going to take a look at this beautiful white Meidiland rose. So Meidiland roses come in 4 different varieties: ground cover roses, low bushes, high bushes, and shrubs. This is considered a Meidiland ground cover rose. This is going to get anywhere from 24 to 36 inches tall and about the same wide. And it is about, I would say, about 30 inches wide right now. This is our second year in having it. The first year, we didn't really have too many roses on it, maybe like 2 or 3. But as you can see, it has settled in and it's really happy. And let's talk about the flowers on it now. So at the end of each stem, there is this beautiful cluster of white roses. These roses are multi-petaled and very dense, and they make for a great cut flower. So if you cut these, you can set these in a vase. And the one thing about these beautiful roses is they will maintain their beauty for quite a long time. If there is a downside on it, the petals don't fall off, they turn brown. So as you can see here, we have one right over here that is kind of turning brown, is spent. And so you just got to take the time and snip it off. And any other ones that turn brown, and you're in business. This particular rose likes to be in full sun like most roses. It is hardy in zones 4 through 9. Just make sure you give it enough water, keep it in a well-drained place, and it'll be really happy. So when we look at the foliage on this, a lot of times the leaves are kind of shiny and waxy. That's not the case for these. These are a really pretty dark green, and they don't have that shine to them. So this rose bush will start blooming very early, and it will also bloom all the way until the first frost. So it's a great plant. You can have it in bunches. It'll look fantastic that way. I like it here to add a little pop to this section with all the color around me, and I'm really happy with it. So if you're a person who's looking for a great white flower and you love roses and you're looking for a rose bush that is easy maintenance and will bloom all season, maybe try this Meidiland white rose. All right, folks, thanks for joining me on the Garden Fix. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please join us on Instagram if you feel like it. Like, comment, any suggestions, put them down below. And until next time, I'll see you in the garden.